I got a quick tip for you today that proves you should always look at the easy stuff first. This is a 1998 Explorer 4.0 V6. It was losing a little bit of power when the engine's under load. It idled okay, but it seemed like it had a misfire, especially going up a hill. It didn't have a whole lot of power. The owner at the time thought it may have had a vacuum leak, tried looking for that, looked for some other things. None of that stuff worked. But let me show you how easy it is to check ignition wires. This is old school. It's got an ignition coil here. It does not have coil and plugs like newer cars, but on the newer cars, you can check those, each individual plug wire. But on these, this style here, you just take this, unclip it, look in there. You want to check all those first. Do them one at a time so you don't get them mixed up. Here's the old one. Take it off, just like that. What do we find? Tons of corrosion. There's the problem. Replace the coil in the wire, runs great.